As you see, viewers, we are closing up a frame, opening RO, using a standard pipe clamp, cut in half, as levers for our bar. And two 2x4s on each side. Give me a hammer. Give me a hammer.
It's gonna hit you in the fucking head right there. Where's my fucking clip that you took off that cord and put your other clip on there?
It's right there, look. Oh, it's right there. These are the tools we use. Just cut your pipe clamp in half, cut a notch in it for the handle right here. And that notch fits in this handle right here. Allows you to crank it with a lot of tension and a lot of force real easily, less stress on the person. And here you clamp your wall down and close up your fucking opening, your RO. Thanks for watching.